In this video, I will show you exactly how to get started with Adobe Express, so you can begin creating professional designs in no time. Adobe Express is a fantastic tool because it offers a massive library of templates and assets that are ready for immediate use. To begin the process, you should go directly to the Adobe Express homepage using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you will notice two main options prominently displayed on the screen. You can either click on the Sign In button if you already have an Adobe account or select the Start for Free button if you are brand new to the platform. If you choose to start for free, you will be prompted to create an account using your email address or your existing social media profiles. The setup process is remarkably quick and user-friendly. After you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard where all the design magic happens. This workspace is intuitive and provides easy access to tools for making social media posts, logos, flyers, and even short videos. One of the best things about Adobe Express is that you do not need to download heavy software to your computer because it runs perfectly right in your browser. This means you can access your projects